have a limited budget and I'm looking for a renovation project. Can you still find a bargain in France? And do you have any advice for where to find these kinds of properties?
You can find bargains. They're quite hard to find these days, but they are around. And again, it comes back to building a good relationship with an agent, because they will then keep their eye out for. It won't necessarily come up straight away, but they will have your criteria to hand. They'll have your budget to hand, and when something comes up, and it's often in the case of maybe a distressed sale where it's an inheritance and it's costing money to keep for the inheritees to keep the property maintained, etc. And they're happy to let it go for perhaps a sub-market price. But only again, it's working with an agent, and the agent being on the ground and looking for that property for you, and then bring it to your attention when it comes to market. So yes, they are around, but you need help in finding them.